This is SONY Xperia 5 Mark IV, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, you need to connect your device to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, sign in if necessary of course. Afterwards, tap the caffeine query at the search bar. That is the name of the app that we will need to download in order to reach our goal. Because the default settings of this phone doesn't allow us to set the value to never, as you could have already known. So from here, just launch the app, make sure that the timeout section has been set to infinite, and as long as you keep the caffeine app active in the background, so do not close the app, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.